My Talent Planner is a software platform that helps SMB leaders grow their people and grow their organization. Our talent planning process that we've used for 22 years it was manual. We'd put a plan together, strategy and talent plan, and the execution would fade because it was in 100 different places. And so the plan we put together was awesome, but then the impact of the execution wouldn't be as effective. The challenge I was having was communicating my vision. And so we built a prototype in Figma, and it allowed us to effectively communicate the vision of what we saw that small and medium-sized businesses would need to resolve their people issues moving forward. And so number one, it took the vision that I had in my head and made it real. And number two, it allowed us to continue to enhance that vision. And number three, to effectively share it with Heartland to say, hey, this is what we see coming. This is what we see businesses wanting in the future. Can you see it? And can you build it? There were three things that led to choosing HBS. Number one is just the software capabilities. It's one of the larger software development companies in the area, in the region. And so there's capabilities that come with that. The second reason, and probably the number one reason that made me choose Heartland, is that when I shared the prototype, I shared it with the potential lead engineer, the lead software engineer that would help us build it, and he could see it. And then the third thing, the relationship that I have with Heartland and specifically the leaders in the software group gave me confidence that we could work through any challenge that we came across. I knew it wasn't going to be easy, and I've never done it before. And so having a partner that I knew that I could trust would work through things versus shut down on it was huge for me as well. When I started this process, everybody told me it was going to take twice as long and cost twice as much. They look at what we accomplished in the time period we did and the fact that now we have paying companies on the software. They're all amazed by that. As much as building the software can be frustrating, what we accomplished in the time that we did appears to be somewhat unprecedented in the industry. So that was cool. Since launch, we're adding companies to the software, so there's growth there. We've seen growth on all fronts, revenue, people, and growth of the product, growth of My Talent Planner. I look back and think that I'd recommend anybody build a prototype and connect with, get to know the people you're gonna work with as people, not just as someone that's gonna build your software.